When it comes to car insurance, how much is enough? Let's break down what you must have, and what's worth having, depending on how you drive. Legally required coverage. In Ontario, you're legally required to have liability coverage, accident benefits, and uninsured motorist protection. No policy is complete without these. Standard doesn't always mean sufficient. Sure, the basic policy meets legal requirements, but it might not fully protect you. Think of it as the base model, no extras, no upgrades. Collision and comprehensive coverage. Want protection from theft, fire, weather damage, or crashes even when you're at fault? That's where collision and comprehensive coverage come in. Not mandatory, but often essential. Ontario policies let you add endorsements like rental car coverage, roadside assistance, or waiver of depreciation for new vehicles. Think of these as policy upgrades, based on your lifestyle. Your coverage should match your driving. Drive daily in heavy traffic? Park your car on the street? Or use it just on weekends? Your habits should shape your insurance, not the other way around. The best auto insurance isn't just what's required, it's what protects you from the real risks you face on the road. Not sure what you actually need? Begin Insurance can help you decide. Begin Insurance compares quotes from 19+ insurers across Canada and helps you choose a policy that fits your life, not just your car. Reach out to us today at 905-482-6666 or visit our website www.begininsurance.ca to get a quick quote. So what are you waiting for? Let Begin Insurance compare the market for you. Begin Insurance. Begin your tomorrow, today.